So friends, let's see this quick and simple crispy breakfast pohe recipe. Now here I've taken one cup of medium poha or pohe, and I'm going to wash it well under water, and then I'm using a colander. I'm going to drain out all the water and just keep this aside for about 5 minutes. Now in the meantime, I'm going to chop up one medium sized onion into small cubes like this. I always have to take out the white part of the onion, the middle part, and then take the tips of the chili, green chili, and chop it fine. Then I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in my pan. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, also called sheera. I'm going to add few fresh curry leaves. I'm also going to add the chopped up green chili. Fry the chili really well. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. So this is our basic fodni. So mix everything well. Now we're going to add our chopped up onion and we're going to fry the onion in this tadka or fodni or bagar for at least half a minute. Then we're going to cover and cook this because we want the onion to become a little bit soft. So after a minute of covering and cooking, you can see that the onion has become nice and soft. So mix everything well, and now we're going to add our poha. Again, we're going to mix everything so well that this white poha, none of the white part of the poha should be seen, but everything should be mixed very well with this bagar of fodni. So mix it well on a low to medium flame. The entire mixture should be really come together really well. There shouldn't be any white poha seen anywhere. Then again we're going to cover and cook this for 1 minute so everything comes together really well. After 1 minute we're going to remove the lid. Again mix everything nicely. Now for it to be nice and crispy and not very soft, I like to just fry it for about a whole minute like this, stirring in continuously like this. That way it becomes nice and crispy. It's not that soft, fluffed up pohe, but it has a different texture. It's a little crispy and really tasty. Now I'm going to add salt to taste and just about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. And then I'm going to add a little bit of coriander, about a tablespoon of finely chopped coriander. Mix everything really well together. And then you're going to put the flame off and you're going to squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Now you can add how much of a lemon juice. If you want it more on the tangy side, you can add an entire lemon juice or the juice of an entire lemon. I like to add a little because once you serve the pohe, then every person can add a little more lime if they want. Not everyone likes it too tangy. Or you can skip out the limbu totally and let everyone serve themselves as they like. And I like to sprinkle the shave on top of the pohe when I'm serving it. So I hope you'll try out this recipe, guys.
Like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.